Queenslanders were told it was a dignified end to the judicial stalemate over former Chief Justice Tim Carmody. Now we have an insight into the deal that was struck to make it happen. 7 News has obtained correspondence from Tim Carmody's office on July 1st last year, where he offers to resign if certain terms are met. They include him remaining a Supreme Court judge. He says, "You will appoint me as a supplementary member of QCAT. In addition to my staffing entitlements, I will be provided a full-time executive assistant. You will give favourable consideration to recommending me for appointment as President of QCAT." In her reply on the same day, the Attorney-General writes, "The terms as outlined in your letter are acceptable." Within hours, he resigned.
No person being appointed to judicial office, whether they're a serving judicial officer or anyone else, has the right to make any demands whatsoever.
It ended a tumultuous 11-month term after he was controversially appointed from magistrate ranks by the Newman government. But now questions are being raised about the looming QCAT president's appointment.
That's not the way the system works. It offends the separation of powers. We demand that the proper protocol be followed.
That is, full consultation with the Chief Justice, Supreme Court and Bar Association. The right to information process took longer than 6 months. Tim Carmody and the Justice Department both objected to these documents being released, but they were overruled by the Information Commissioner. Tim Carmody also demanded a legal expert be appointed to reform work practices in the court. So far, that hasn't happened. Since his departure, Catherine Holmes has been appointed as Chief Justice and the Supreme Court has returned to business as usual. Max Futcher, 7 News.